Let's take out our worksheet so we can go over what we're going to do today. On the front, you're going to work on that on your own. And for number one, you're going to write the numbers that are shown on the place value cards, okay? For number two, you are going to count by tens to fill in the numbers that are missing. For number three, you're going to mark the circle under the correct sign, okay? Is the first number greater than or less than the second number? For number four, you're going to write the sums by counting by twos. You're going to count by twos and fill in the answers. For number five, you're going to write 1/2 of each number. So what is half of 12? What is half of 14? And you can either think about the doubles that you know from your math facts, or you can do what we just did here. So either way, it works when you're breaking something in half. Then number six, you're going to write the differences. You're going to subtract to find the answer. Let's turn our paper over to the back. For number one, you're going to mark the circle under the fraction that shows the greater part of the whole. So they want to know which one's bigger. Is 1/2 bigger, or is 1/4 bigger? Is 1/3 bigger, or 1/4 bigger? Remember, we learned how to tell which one is bigger, right? The bigger the number on the bottom, the smaller the pieces are going to be. So they want to know which of these, not which one has more pieces, but which one is the biggest part of the whole thing. Number two, circle the number that shows the total parts in the fraction. You remember we talked about which number tells us how many parts there are going to be. Number three, put 1/2, 1/4, 1/3 in order from least to greatest. Now, if you don't remember, you can go back in the video and we talked about that. Out of 1/2, 1/4, and 1/3, which one's the biggest? Which one's in between one, and which one's the smallest? Number four, mark the circle under the correct sign. Number five, you're going to read the story problems and find the answers. As always, make sure to do your very best as you are working.